how to repair a square-shaped broken nail that misses one corner. That's the question. Well, I'm Joe and I welcome you to my do-it-yourself nail channel. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fix my broken nail. As you can see, it misses one corner. So guess what I'm going to do in this case? As it's not very much you can do, I'll go from square shape to round shape. So I'm gonna cut my whole nail and give it a round shape. Let's cut the corners of the nails and also the top part. Now I'm gonna use a nail file to give a proper round shape to my nails. And there, now I have perfect clean nails. I fixed the broken one. Nobody knows how they looked before. I hope this was a useful video for you. So I invite you to subscribe to my channel and to turn on the notifications so we can keep in touch. Take care, bye!